Priority 2, employment and skilling. Our government will implement following 3 schemes for employment-linked incentive. We will facilitate higher participation of women in the workforce through setting up of working women hostels.
केंद्रीय वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण द्वारा आज संसद में केंद्रीय बजट 2024 से 25 पेश किया गया। वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण ने कहा, मुझे 2 लाख करोड़ रुपए के केंद्रीय परिव्यय के साथ 5 वर्षों में 4.1 करोड़ युवाओं के लिए रोजगार, कौशल और अन्य अवसरों की सुविधा के लिए 5 योजनाओं और पहलों के प्रधानमंत्री पैकेज की घोषणा करते हुए खुशी हो रही है। इस वर्ष हमने शिक्षा, रोजगार और कौशल के लिए 1.48 लाख करोड़ रुपए का प्रावधान किया है।
Priority 2, employment and skilling. Employment linked incentive. Our government will implement following 3 schemes for employment linked incentive as part of the Prime Minister's package. These will be based on enrollment in the EPFO and focus on recognition of first-time employees and support to employees and employers. Scheme A, first-timers. This scheme will provide 1 month wage to all persons newly entering the workforce in all formal sectors. Direct benefit transfer of 1 month's salary in 3 installments to first-time employees as registered in the EPFO will be up to 15,000 rupees. The eligibility limit will be a salary of 1 lakh per month. The scheme is expected to benefit 210 lakh youths. Scheme B, job creation in manufacturing. This scheme will incentivize additional employment in the manufacturing sector linked to the employment of first-time employees. An incentive will be provided at specified scale directly both to the employee and the employer with respect to the EPFO contribution in the first 4 years of employment. The scheme is expected to benefit 30 lakh youth entering employment and their employers. Scheme C, support to employers. This employer-focused scheme will cover additional employment in all sectors. All additional employment within a salary of 1 lakh rupee per month will be counted. The government will reimburse to employers up to 3,000 rupees per month for 2 years towards the EPFO contribution for each additional employee. The scheme is expected to incentivize additional employment of 50 lakh persons. Participation of women in the workforce. We will facilitate higher participation of women in the workforce through setting up of working women hostels in collaboration with industry and establish. In addition, the partnership will seek to organize women-specific skilling programs and promotion of market access for women SHG enterprises. Skilling program. I'm happy to announce a new centrally sponsored scheme as the 4th scheme under the Prime Minister's package for skilling in collaboration with state governments and industry. 20 lakh youth will be skilled over a 5-year period. "1,000 industrial training institutes will be upgraded in hub and spoke arrangements with outcome orientation. Course content and design will be aligned to the skill needs of industry, and new courses will be introduced for emerging needs. Skilling loans. The model skill loan scheme will be revised to facilitate loans up to 7.5 lakh rupees with a guarantee from a government-promoted fund. This measure is expected to help 25,000 students every year. Education loans. For helping our youth who have not been eligible for any benefit under government schemes and policies, I am happy to announce a financial support for loans up to 10 lakh rupees for higher education in domestic institutions. E-vouchers for this purpose. E-vouchers for this purpose will be given directly to 1 lakh students every year for annual interest subvention of 3% of the loan amount.
इसी तरह की तमाम खबरें और अन्य अपडेट्स के लिए बने रहिए हमारे साथ और देखते रहिए punjabkesari.com।